Girl turn-ons.
You know something about the world. Yeah, so I'm reading this book about the Industrial Revolution.
You are?
Yes, and I had no idea how interesting that whole time period was. You know, women were a really important part of that whole revolution. Without them, it never would have happened.
Oh my God, you are so smart.
You're strong. Let me see.
You're really into something you like doing.
Wow, did you draw that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so good. Is it Pikachu?
Yeah.
Wow, would you ever draw me?
Nah, I only draw girls in the nude.
Oh, well, that's okay. You're nice to old people and kids. Oh, thank you, Andrew. You're such a sweet boy.
No problem, Mrs. Silverstein. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. I love you,
Whoa.
Uncle Andrew. Will you play house with me again and be a kitty cat? Meow! Yay, good kitty!
You're funny.
Oh my God, it's so hot in here. I'm really hot.
Oh, wait, young lady, I have something for you. Here, wear my jacket. I know you're hot.
No, Jimmy, I'm hot. Not cold. Wait, why do you have two vests?
Because I knew this day would come when you would need a vest.
What? That makes no sense.
You make no sense.
You're generous.
I have no quarters left, and then now I have to go across the street to the liquor store, and the guy there is a total creepy creeperson. He stares down my shirt every time I talk to him, and then he always asks me if I need any tampons and like smells the air. It's really gross.
Well, no, don't worry about it, Jenny. I'll get you some money. Here, go park your car in the lot across the street.
In the lot?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have a job you care about. So where do you work?
I work in the taco shack. No, it's really cool because, like, the people are so nice and, like, you know, it's really good food. And I like to talk to people all day, you know what I mean? I love it.
Yeah, okay. Well, can you hook me up with a taco?
Only if you hook me up with yours.
Cool. Wait.
You're fun to be around.
Oh, I hate homework. It sucks.
I have an idea. Let's turn on some music, I'll pop some popcorn, and instead of homework, we'll scratch that out and make it fun work!
Okay!
Come on, let's play horsey!
Okay.
You can fix shit. Oh my God, my phone is broken. Ugh.
Here, let me see it. Boop, 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 boop. You just had too many apps open. Here you go.
Oh my God. You're confident.
Hey, Jimmy, are you nervous for tryouts?
No, I got this. Dance team is my bitch.
Yay! Whoa. Oh my God, you're so good.
Thanks. See you later.
Comment below.
What are some other girl turn-ons?
Which ones are you working with?
Oh my God, my phone just broke.
Oh, here, let me see.
You're talking like a woman. Oh, here, let me see, girl.
Let me see, girl. Oh my God, did you draw that? What?
It's so
What?
Don't look at the drawing.
Okay, well,
like,
okay.
look over here or something.
Okay.
Looks like it's a balding sun.
Bye. Bye. Bye.